In Georgia, the real difference between an assault and a battery is assault is the threat of a potential harm, whereas with battery, you actually have the physical contact there. One of the most common cases that we see in this jurisdiction is aggravated assaults and simple battery family violence cases. If you are charged with simple battery or battery, it's very important that you speak with an attorney, because just because you were originally charged with a simple battery or battery, which is a misdemeanor, it could very well end up being a felony charge. And the reason for that is because when a district attorney's office takes a case, they review the case, they complete the investigation, they then put it before the grand jury. And if they start investigating the case and they see things, for example, strangulation, then that simple battery or battery misdemeanor can now be indicted as an aggravated assault, which is a felony carrying up to 20 years in confinement. So depending on whether you're charged with a misdemeanor or a felony matters greatly. Every misdemeanor in Georgia carries up to 12 months confinement as a possible max. When you go over to the felony, it's a minimum 1 year, and depending on the charge, it goes up from there. So although being confined is not guaranteed by any means, it is a very real possibility, and the only way to get ahead of that is to hire an experienced attorney who can work for you. Anytime that I am hired on a case, my number one goal is to make sure that you stay home with your family. And I put in a lot of work. We do a lot of investigation. We talk to a lot of witnesses, and we fight to make sure that you do not go to prison. Now, each case is different. Circumstances around the case, history involved. While I can never guarantee you that you would never go to jail, what I can guarantee you is that you would not go to jail without a fight. I've been handling assault cases my entire career as a criminal defense attorney, as well as on the prosecution side. I used to work as a assistant district attorney prior to joining the Hawk firm. So assault cases are something that I'm very familiar with from both sides. Here at the Hawk firm, we are a small firm. One of the benefits of hiring a small firm for your assault case is that you're treated like family, and you know the attorney who is working with you. You don't have to worry about associates coming in that you're not familiar with and may not be familiar with you. Here, when you retain the Hawk firm, you know the lawyers. The lawyers do not change on your case, and we are with you from the beginning to the end. You can rest assured is that you are getting a firm that has a proven track record of success in jury trials of all different types of criminal cases. And you're guaranteed to have zealous lawyers who will fight for you every step of the way. At Hawk Law Firm, you're treated like family. We treat each and every one of our clients as if they're a member of our family. And when I handle any criminal matter, I always treat my client as if I was the client. I would treat my client exactly how I would expect to be treated by an attorney. Here at the Hawk firm, all of the criminal matters are handled by two attorneys, myself and Mr. Jacques Hawk. So if you do retain the Hawk firm, I will be handling your case as well as Mr. Hawk personally. So when you request an evaluation by one of the attorneys here for an assault case, we're going to sit down, we're going to talk about what happened. We need to know all the facts. We also need to know what the other side may be trying to allege happened. We'll need to know all the witnesses that you have, witnesses that the other side may have, all the contact information. And the reason for this is so that we can go ahead and start our investigations. Getting all that information up front allows us to better defend you.